Well, good morning, everybody. We are in the greenhouse. I just want to show you how amazing this is. Look, we got parsley, some awesome lettuce. I forgot the name of this stuff. Beautiful lettuces, more lettuce, spinach, more lettuces. Kale, beautiful kale. Lots of cilantro, mustard greens. See this kale right here? It's beautiful. Look at this. It's that ruffly stuff. Isn't that pretty? Come on, y'all. Everybody needs a greenhouse. It's just absolutely astonishing. Look at these. Beautiful. Picked a turnip this morning. Nice, pretty turnip. We got Swiss chard. It's growing fantastic. More cilantro, Swiss chard, more mustard greens. Look at these mustard greens. Aren't they just beautiful? Guys, on a budget greenhouse. A budget greenhouse. It's just going bonkers. All the turnips in here are just blowing huge. We've got purple top ones right here. You can see them in there. I got potatoes I'm growing in here. Trying that out. All we're doing is heating with this little heater. That's it. Just a little heater at night. And it keeps it like 60, 70 degrees in here. We got a peanut butter tree. Fig trees. They're even sprouting in here. Once these turnip greens get out of here, we're gonna put some more stuff in. Isn't it just thriving? Y'all, get a greenhouse. It's Amazon, cheap. This was given to us by our family, but what a deal. This thing is amazing. I would buy another one if I had the room. I might buy another one. I might buy one, I don't know. I love this one, I can tell you that. Guys, look, we got more turnips in there. They're just, look. See? Look at that little beauties. Oh, we have snow peas right here. See? Yeah, pretty. These are just beautiful. Mustard greens. Put some ham hocks with these in the pan. Oh, God. Some kind of kale here. This parsley is thriving. Just thriving. And I don't know what all these are, but seedlings of some kind we planted. They're growing. So how about that? Lots of dill. Look how pretty that is. Hallelujah. Ain't that a pretty plant? All right, y'all. Back at you later from the greenhouse.